Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Now open YouTube and tap your avatar to access settings. Once there, choose Settings quickly. This directs you to Appearance Controls. Make sure your app or browser is updated because older builds hide options. If you're on mobile, keep data on. If on desktop, open Chrome, Edge, or Firefox and go to YouTube. Once done, look for Appearance or Dark Theme in the menu so you can switch modes immediately. Now you'll change the theme. On mobile, open Settings General Appearance or Dark Theme, tap Dark to activate it. On desktop, click your avatar appearance dark theme, select it. Choosing System Default links YouTube to your OS setting, so changes follow automatically. Use that if you prefer sync. Once switched, scan the interface to confirm contrast and readability. If visuals look off, adjust device brightness or browser zoom to make text clear and comfortable. Finish by verifying dark mode across devices where you're signed in. Sign out and sign back in if settings don't sync. If the theme doesn't apply, clear the app cache or browser cache, then restart YouTube. That often resolves stale settings. On desktop, check extensions. Disable any that force themes because they can override YouTube's appearance. If problems persist, update the app or browser, and as a last resort, reinstall. This guarantees the change sticks and keeps contrast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.